Hi guys, today this is day
Hi
one.
guys.
Yeah, this is day one of checking on our plant. So, yeah, this is basically it. So,
Okay.
I hope you guys
Let's go up to
enjoy.
the tomato plant. Come on.
Okay, yeah, okay, guys. So, this is my
So
tomato
we have
plant.
yearly 7 months, around 6 to
Yeah,
8 months growing,
yep, and we have.
and then we have, what is this called?
I think that's corn. No, that one's corn, and that one is and I think this is the. So look, that's a tomato. That's
Okay.
a tomato.
And I think this is, guys, sorry, I don't know what this is, but this is corn.
Yep.
And what's this? What's this?
I don't know what actually. My luck. Is it luck?
I think it's
Luck.
basil.
Luck. Luck.
All right, now this tree, we're moving houses, so
Yeah, so that.
you can put it. And then outside, if you guys want to come. Okay, guys, now you can see my brother Charlie just put on the water. There's a sprinkler. And then we got a new AC. Oh, and mint.
I'm gonna take a sniff of it.
It smells very good.
Oh, what's this? Okay, bye guys.
And then, should we take them to our garage? Guys, do you want to go to the garage? All right, let's go.
And bye guys. Have a good day.
All right, guys, we have a cute little cat. And the tree. All right, guys, the garage is being closed. When this video hits 7 or 6 minutes, then we'll.
Bye.
Hi, guys, we're still here again, and we can see that we have the watering can. See?
I don't know about it. It's not.
Yeah, it doesn't work. We have these. Now we're just gonna go inside and show you the picture frames and bring the flatter. Okay? Come inside with me.
Yeah, but and here's a picture plant. So yeah.
Hi guys, this is a picture plant and it has acid. And what also can it do too?
It can catch bugs.
Yeah, it has acid.
Around here is I don't know.
See, he's gonna put like his. He'll demonstrate so it closes.
So unfortunately this one passed away. So look, if you guys can see inside this one, there is gonna be acid. So yeah, this is already here. Yeah. So
Right now we have the sensitive plant. My brother will demonstrate what's its purpose is of it.
a purpose. So look, you can.
So when you're lonely or feeling sad or depressed, you can just simply.
You can simply just pet it. And look, I think the leaves will close up. Oh, wait, look at this one.
See?
This one. Yeah, but we'll come back soon to post day 2, and we'll see if they.
Let's water it.
Okay, so yeah.
Okay, we're gonna water it.
Okay, guys, we're just watering it. That's gonna be the end of the video. Okay.
Now we're setting it down. So, and then we need the Venus flytrap.
The Venus flytrap died, unfortunately. It wasn't catching that much food. Okay, bye guys. Have a
Okay,
good
bye
day.
guys. Peace out. Bye guys. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye guys. Peace out. See you next time.
Bye.